Welcome to Sahi. In this quick video, we'll show you how to apply for an IPO on Sahi. From your home screen, tap on the IPO section to view all IPOs currently open for application, or even pre-apply before they open. Pick your preferred IPO. For instance, Tata Capital. Choose your category, regular, HNI or employee. Now select the lot size and enter your bid price. You can even make multiple bids at different price points. Just tap add bid and enter your desired price and quantity. To simply apply at cutoff price, tap here. Now just enter your UPI ID and with just one click, you can instantly place your IPO application. No long forms or extra steps. Simply tap place bid and your bid is sent to your UPI app for approval. Once you approve the UPI mandate, your IPO application is confirmed by the exchange. To track your journey from UPI mandate to allotment, head to the Applied section. You can monitor an allotment results right within the app. Now, what if you want to review past IPOs? Check out Closed IPOs for insights. And that's it. You've successfully applied for your IPO. Simple, fast, seamless, only with Sahi. Now, just click on any IPO to explore more details, from subscription data to company financials and other key insights about the IPO like the open, close, allotment and even listing date. Everything you need to make an informed decision is right here, just a tap away.